Hello everyone. So today we are going to start a new topic named microplasma. So earlier it was studied under bacteria, but later on scientists found that it had some peculiar characteristics which are different from bacteria. So they formed a new class for microplasm which is called molecule in 1956, and a new family, say class and family, which is called Mycoplasmataceae. So it is studied under class molecule and under family Mycoplasmataceae. So first member of microplasma is called PPLO, which is discovered in 1898. So what is the first point? In 1898, first member discovered and named as PPLO, which stand for Pleuropneumonia like organism. Then in 1923 it is successfully cultured from contagious milk fever in goat, and that is from sheep, bovine sheep. Later on, further studies showed that the same organism is responsible for causing pneumonia in men also, and that disease is named as primary atypical pneumonia. So we can write as in 1967 primary atypical pneumonia. In men. So these are some basic history, you can say, about the microplasms. I should write here the scientist, Nokal and Rocks. Here Bride and Donatin. So let's now see how this microplasm is different from bacteria and other organisms. At the same time, we will see its structure. So it is called smallest organism. So it is tri-layered, means 3 layer of cell membrane is present. Okay, like this I am drawing 3 layer cell membrane, in which double-stranded DNA, or I can say double-stranded circular DNA is present. Basically, microplasm contain both RNA and DNA as a genetic material. Okay. So this is a peculiar character. And now I should draw some ribosomes. It contains 70S ribosomes in which RNA is present. So let's name it and complete our figure. So it's cell membrane, it's ribosome, vertical 70S type, and it is 8 to 15 micron thick. Then this is DNA, double stranded. Yeah, that's it. Beside this is also contains some lipid, and specifically sterol, which is again a peculiar characteristic of eukaryotes. Yeah. Now we can write some characteristic. It is smallest, non-motile, prokaryotic, unicellular organism. It contains 40% lipid and 50 to 80% protein. Numeric acid and peptidoglycan is absent. PPSE absent, which is present in bacteria. Both DNA and RNA is present. Now I am writing here fried egg like appearance. Aerobic and anaerobic, both aerobic and anaerobic in nature. So these are some basic features of microplasm. Beside this, it causes disease in both plants and animals, including human beings. So let us see what kind of disease it's caused in plants and animals. So in plants, first, plants alpha which bloom. Okay. Second, sugar white leaf, sugar cane, white leaf, bunchy top of papaya, bunchy top of papaya, yellow leaf of tobacco, sandal staff, sandal spike, sandal spike, peanut witch broom, so these are some important disease caused in plant by mycoplasma. In animal is called infertility, and this is caused by M. huminis. Then in man है एनिमल में गैल एप्ली एंड निमोनिया, इसमें भी प्राइमरी टिपिकल न्यूमोनिया, एम न्यूमोनी माइक्रोप्लाज्म से। तो ये कुछ डिसीज़ हैं जो माइक्रोप्लाज्म प्लांट एंड एनिमल दोनों में कॉज करता है। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो। हम लोग मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, टाटा।